Welcome to this tutorial on how to enhance your WhatsApp security by enabling notifications for security code changes. In today's digital age, ensuring the privacy and security of your online communications is more important than ever. WhatsApp provides a robust end-to-end encryption system, but it also allows you to stay informed about any changes in your chat's security settings. Let's walk through the simple steps to enable these notifications. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the updated features. Once the app is open, you'll notice 3 vertical dots in the top right corner if you're using an Android device. Tap on these dots to open a drop-down menu. If you're using an iPhone, you can skip this step and go straight to the settings icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. Now tap on Account to access privacy and security options related to your account. Inside the account settings, you'll see a section labeled Security Notifications. Tap on this to open the Security Notifications page. Here, you'll find an option called Show Security Notifications on this device. This feature is designed to alert you whenever there's a change in the security code of your chats, ensuring you're always aware of any potential security updates. To enable these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Show Security Notifications on this device to the On position. Once you've done this, WhatsApp will notify you whenever there's a change in the security code of any of your chats. This provides an added layer of security and peace of mind, knowing that you'll be informed about any changes in the encryption settings for your conversations. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that your WhatsApp conversations remain secure and that you're always informed about any changes in your chat's security settings. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your privacy and security on WhatsApp.